go home. Still at the dealership, waiting for my car. All I know is they gave it to the tech, so now I'm just waiting to hear back, see what the hell is going on. Why is it making that noise? What's going on? I just want to know. But yeah, I ain't got nothing else to say. So it's a misfire in cylinder 7. How the hell that happened? I don't know. Like I said, I ain't never had these issues other than with Mopar. Hey, as long as it gets fixed, that's all I care about. It can be anything. I ain't gotta pay for it, so now they gotta tear down the engine. I'm headed home though. I ain't staying up here that long. So what's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Starks 392. I'm finally coming back to tell y'all what really happened to my car, man. My car was in the shop for 3 days, and when I got there, the dude told me, my service advisor that is, he told me they're not gonna be able to fix it today, they'll get to it tomorrow. It ended up taking them 2 days to fix it. So he called me, gave me an update about what really was going on the day I dropped it off. At first he was saying they found a misfire in cylinder 7. So I was like, okay, cool. Are they gonna be able to fix it? It's like, yeah, we're gonna fix it. It's like, okay, cool. But the next day, when they actually started breaking it down, breaking the engine down, he called me again. It was like, okay, now they done found another misfire, which is in cylinder 2. I was like, okay. So I asked him, I was like, how did that happen? It was like, I don't really have an explanation. I could ask the tech for you. Okay, I was like, okay. So fast forward, when I go to pick my car up on day 3, I asked again, how something like this really happened? Like, how did I get a misfire in 2 different cylinders? He didn't have an explanation. So I was like, can you ask the tech for me? I was like, okay. We went and talked to the tech. He gave me some regular snegler explanation. I don't really remember, but it was like, so I ended up asking, I was like, okay, is this something that can happen again, like in the near future? It was like, nah, you should be good. Like, okay. So this is actually what they changed on my car. And if I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at the paper I got from Dodge. But based on what the tech put on here, like I said, had misfires in cylinder 2 and 7 with the tapping noise. Noise went away and misfire went away after he removed the cylinder heads, lifters, and found check balls rotated sponge lifters. He replaced the lifters, replaced the head gaskets, and reinstalled the heads. He replaced the push rods, the rocker rails, and the valve cover. He put new gaskets, intake manifold, bleeded the cooling system, added oil, and test drove it for 5 miles. And he said it was good. Now I done had my car, what, 2.5, 3 weeks now. I ain't heard the noise no more, so I'm guessing it's good, but I'm still gonna give it some time. And I can't really give y'all a price because everything's under warranty. That's all I can tell you, is that they replaced all of this stuff. And at the end of the day, I'm not used to this, y'all. This ain't never happened to me. I've had so many cars in my lifetime. I ain't never had no problems with an engine. And all of them haven't been expensive cars. Granted, I never had a car over 20,000 miles, but still, I don't feel like I should be having no issues at that mileage. That's just my opinion. Y'all can think what y'all think. I really don't care. That's my opinion. I don't feel like no car should have any issues at 20,000 miles. That, again, that's my opinion. So y'all can say different. It is what it is. But me, no, I don't feel like I should have those issues, especially engine issues. And being that this is my second Dodge, the first Dodge I had, which was a Challenger, I had issues with that off the lot. I had to take it to get serviced a month later because my brakes were warped. And you heard like a grinding noise when you backing up. So it's like, they making me change the thought process I had about Dodge. Like, I wanted a Dodge for so long, y'all. So long. And I finally was able to get the one I wanted. And like, I'm having all these freaking issues. It's crazy. But at the end of the day, I still love my car. I still love it. And this is the reason why I never mod my engines when I first get them or within warranty. I never do it because I don't know what can happen. And this is a good explanation of what can happen and you don't have warranty. Why the hell I'm gonna pay for something and I don't have to? That's my thought process. If I don't have to pay for it, I'm not gonna pay for it. So at the end of the day, I don't mod my cars when it comes to the engine, at least. I'll mod everything around it. That's not gonna void out the informed warranty. But other than that, I do not touch the engine. And I feel like that should be anybody, especially if you buying a brand new car. Like, it's different if I'm not buying a brand new car. I'll mod it all day long. But if it got warranty on it, I'm not gonna touch that engine. And that is why I keep that thought process, because anything can go wrong with these cars. And that's the main thing. Like, that's what I want to tell y'all. Like, I kept y'all on the cliffhanger on the last video because I wanted to do it that way. I didn't find out anything until after I made that video. And now y'all know. Like, I had a misfire in cylinder 7 and 2, or 2 and 7. And wasn't nothing I could really do about it. At the end of the day, it got fixed. That's all I care about, and I didn't have to pay for it. So this your boy J Starks 392 signing out. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video, because it might be people that went through this same thing that's not gonna talk about it, don't have social media and all that jazz. Again, this your boy J Starks 392 signing out. Peace.